That's the worst thing about coming to Lowe's. All the alarms always go off. All right, the Kobalt stuff, guys. Let me know. I want to do more, like I said, impact wrench automotive videos. Ooh, do they have this in stock? Because I got to replace my differential gear fluid in the front and the back of my truck. I might have to get this. Check it out. Or I was thinking about getting this one and comparing these to like the Ryobi one. Also, I know it's expensive, but I really want to get the rigid impact wrench and put it up against the Kobalt impact wrench. But just for the tool itself is $169. Finally rearranged all this. This looks nice. It is kind of front heavy. Those look pretty nice though. It's got a big freaking chuck on it. I mean, this metal part, this plastic part here is huge. And the switch is kind of like the Kobalt. You got the little window. Not the Kobalt, I mean the rigid. I'd be tempted to get this too. They have this out. They must have just did this because this isn't even secured at all. It's just sitting here. And this is a real tool. This thing is fucking heavy. Holy cow, this is heavy. 3 speeds. That thing. It's gotta weigh at least 10 pounds. Yeah. Oh, the anvil's wrapped. I thought that was lube. Damn, look at that. Wobble it. It's so heavy. So here you buy 2 tools, you get a free tool going on. So you always have to check the bottom of these flyers. This is good till November 2nd. The Bosch sale where you get the free 4 amp hour battery and the charger goes on till February of 2021. So you have some time to decide, guys, if you're looking to get that. Again, nothing really special in the Craftsman section. They did come out with like 2 new tools. The heat gun down here. And also, what was it? That thing weighs absolutely nothing. I came out with that. And the impact wrench. Wherever that went. I think it's on the end cap here. The brushless impact wrench. I think they're sold out of it. Here's the Metabo table saw. Is this a flex volt or multi-volt? Nope. Metabo. They do have the flex volt miter saw here. This thing looks like it's a beast. I would get this for Christmas. Anybody want to send that to me for Christmas? It does include the 4 and a charger. Nice. Well, how much is it? I want to say it was $3.99 if I remember correctly. Dewalt 12-inch $3.49. Metabo $2.99 for the plug-in 12-inch. Here's the Metabo. This thing is freaking massive. Plug-in. This is an older style one. This one is $3.99. They have the multi-volt. Yeah, here it is, right here. Oh, look at that. It's all rusty. That's not good. Isn't that supposed to be stainless steel, guys? Huh. This is left outside? This is just disgusting looking. Battery goes right there. I do like the adjustment, the lock on this. It's pretty slick. It's very easy to use. Oh, 400. That's the kit though. It comes with the 4, which is $100. Craftsman 10-inch. Is this new? Anything Craftsman, you know, it's Dewalt. This is corded. It's a dual bevel. No, single bevel. 0 to 45. And this is one I got last Black Friday. I got it for $98. And I've been using it for a year. It works really good. It's very cheap, but again, normal price is $150. I got it just under $100. So let me know, guys. I've been meaning to do a review on this. I just haven't done it. And this one here too, if you buy any of these, you get the 4. And I want to say this goes until next year as well. Let's see. Yeah, removed by April 1st of 2021. So, you got some time to decide if you want a free battery from Kobalt. Let's go see when the other sale ends. It's the same, guys. April 1st, 2021. Wait, it says good through 11/1/20. Huh. I think I'm just gonna get the wrench, guys. The right angle Kobalt impact wrench. I've not seen this in the store yet, so I was either gonna get this or this to do work on the truck, and this to do, you know, more impact videos. Hi guys, I think that's all I got for you. Also, they lowered the prices on the standard Dewalt kits for the 887. With the 2 2.0s are now $179. It was $200. And the same with the hammer drill, but it's the one without the holder. Not the holder. Can't think. It's early. The handle. Alright guys, until next time, I'm going around doing all the stores. I'm gonna hit up Lowe's, Home Depot, Menards, Tractor Supply. I'm gonna drive out to Acme Tool this weekend. I'm gonna do a big, huge video on Acme Tool. Might even talk with some of the guys and do some demos. It's a lot of good stuff, guys. Stick around. Till next time. See ya.